It doesn't seem like it's shifting if you ask me. Downshifted there when I put it into second though. Is it only going into the third? I have no idea. I don't know if the shift linkage is messed up or what. Well, that does not seem right. Where are those lights at? Aww. So, hi Christy. So, you're what?
Wiping my mouth.
Ah, well now you're on camera wiping your mouth. Hello YouTube, I'm wiping my mouth. Well, here's what else we're doing. Before we get to the bad stuff, look at that. Pretty cool. Thank you to my friend Xavier for giving me the idea. Anyway, haven't started the bird in a few months because it wasn't shifting right, so we've been getting ready for the TH400 swap. Get the 700R4 out of there that I broke. And yeah, went to start it. And now it's got what I think is a rod knock. And it's pretty saddening. I don't know if I put something together wrong or what, but there we go. See what it sounds like. And the belt is still squeaking. It's a brand new belt, brand new alternator. I don't know if it's the power steering pump or what. I don't know, but here we go. Oh yeah. Now, we have oil pressure. That's never been bad. It's always had good oil pressure. But you can hear the knocking. Pretty loud. Sounds like it's coming right from the crank. Yeah. It's making me sad. That did not sound good. We're not going to let it keep doing that. Ugh. We're getting so ready for the transmission to go in. And now this. So I think the plan is... I shouldn't have said that I liked working on cars so much, because I did say that once or twice. But I think this has to come out. And we got to put the heads and cam into that one. And then throw that in there. I had to take the crank out of this one because I screwed up the original crank when I was pulling the crank pulley off. I messed up the crank. So that's the only reason I even went and redid the bottom end. All I did was put new bearings in it, hone the cylinder walls, and gap the rings, and put new main bearings and rod bearings. I only did that though because I had to replace the crank anyway because I screwed it up. So with this one, I'm not even gonna mess with any of that. Just oil pans going on. Those heads are going on because they already have the springs and all the BTR stuff, the trunnion upgrade, springs, titanium retainers, and those push rods. Those are new LS7 lifters. So lifters, heads, pan, and cam. And then the intake that's already on here that has everything plugged into it already. And then these spark plugs, obviously, are going to go with the head. Put these coil packs on. And yeah, but that's the kind of sad update on the bird. I know it's been a while since we posted about the bird. And most of the views on the channel come from the bird. So, hope you're ready for some wrenching videos this fall and winter. We'll get out next season though. She did make a pass on the track, right?
Yeah.
She was on one cylinder, but she had oil pressure. But hey, wasn't a complete waste. Was that last year or this year? That was last year. Holy crap. Okay, she didn't do anything in 2021. Whatever. It's okay though. We've been doing all kinds of bike stuff. See? So I'm not complaining. But alright. Sorry if you're here on the channel for the bird stuff. Whatever. Oh yeah, you have not been doing much bike stuff because you got broken. But your bike is almost back ready to go. Gave her a nice bath yesterday. Bars are still tweaked. Radiator still needs to be put in. We need to order it, but those forks were folded in half. Oops. The headlights is still messed up in the housing. Plastics were crunched on the one side. Headers were folded up into here. Oil filter was dented. This, I think, was actually okay. This had a big ass gash in it from hitting the ground. This rear set popped all the way out, like completely cracked right along here. Boom, this thing was just off. But then on eBay, the rear set that I ordered was this whole assembly. In their brake lever, this part was bent all the way like that. So screw that guy or gal. And then the nice new exhaust and nice new hanger that I got Christy, that also got messed up when her and the car got really, really close. Like when she went inside of the side of the car, but the car hit you. So I guess you guys hit each other technically. That guy. That guy. Just a quick almost OEM garage update. It's been more work than play for the car, but we didn't go anywhere. Dirty Bird's still there. We're gonna get back to it. Alright, go use some zip ties.